have a 4-year-old that thinks air hockey is just about the best game out there. So we got this little air hockey table to play with him because he is taller and it fits him almost perfectly, being that this is like a youth air hockey table where my husband and I, being 5'7" and 5'10", can still play on it. But then my 4-year-old can also still reach it. And even my 1.5-year-old plays on it with just a little stool on the ground. And assembly of it, not too bad. The legs do come off. Once that frame is put together, you're probably not going to want to take it apart too often. So make sure you have it in the space that you want it to be. But if you needed to take it off, it's not that difficult. Just using the Allen key pieces on the side here and kind of undoing those bolts on the side. As far as how it works beautifully for what it is. A super budget friendly option. I wasn't expecting too much, but I am very impressed with how well the air blows out of here and how easily the little pucks actually glide once it's on. It does also have a scoreboard here, so you'll press it on and off, and then you can also reset it once the game is over. And then there's also the shots on the side here as well. Does come with these two as well as the 3 pucks there. And then to turn it on, it does need an outlet, so you'll plug it into the side there, and then following that cord underneath the table where it connects is where you'll actually have the little switch here to turn the whole system on. And you'll see it's already going and moving so nicely. And then this, like I said, turns on and resets. It does need batteries separate from the power in the outlet there. So just keep that in mind. You will need some batteries there to run this. We don't really use it, so I don't have batteries in there currently. And then it does also have, of course, the little return area here. So once the puck is in, super easy to go ahead and retrieve that. And it can hold all of them if need be, and they stack just fine. So great for being able to store those away and not lose them. So you really can't beat this air hockey table, especially for that super budget friendly price and that size that's perfect for kids of so many different ages.